Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Trim the cauliflower into 1-inch florets and pat dry to remove excess moisture before cooking. This prevents steaming and encourages browning. Mince 3 cloves garlic and 1 tablespoon ginger finely so their oils infuse quickly during high heat. Whisk a quick sauce of 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon honey or maple if you want slight sweetness. Set the sauce aside. Measure 2 tablespoons neutral oil for the wok or large skillet and preheat it until shimmering. Preheat a wok or large skillet over high heat until the 2 tablespoons oil shimmers, about 2 to 3 minutes. High heat is essential for char and texture. Add the cauliflower in a single layer and let it sear without moving for 60 seconds, then toss and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes until edges are golden and tender crisp. Add the minced garlic and ginger in the last 30 seconds so they release aroma without burning. Pour the sauce over, toss to coat, and cook 30 more seconds to glaze. Finish the stir fry by tossing in 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds and 2 sliced green onions for crunch and brightness. Finish with a squeeze of lime if desired. Serve immediately with steamed rice or noodles. This recipe yields about 2 to 3 servings depending on portions. To reheat, warm gently in a skillet over medium heat so texture returns without sogginess. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, and reheat only.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.